Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect to custom page after checkout using product ID in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and now you see product. So we are going to redirect to custom page after checkout using product ID or based on product ID. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product ID 1440. Now go to edit product. In URL you see product ID 1440. So we added this product ID in our custom code and then you see redirect. So you can add your custom page URL. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we are in checkout page and scroll down, you see product. Now enable this option and then click on place order. So we added our product ID in custom code. Now you see after checkout redirect to custom page, shop page. So in code you can add your page URL. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.